I can play it. I started early Saturday, going to Utah, and now still in Illinois. As you can see, I'm in Iowa. Here is the biggest world's truck stop. Been here a few times. In the future I'll try to do a whole video about it, filming what's inside. Here is a truck museum. There is a shop, quite a big one. A lot of parts for trucks and all that. Don't mind. I'll do another video about the whole truck stop. So road conditions are not the best, but no traffic. That's Iowa for you guys. So I complained about weather earlier. Now look at this shit. What the hell? Not good, guys. Just received a warning to escape area immediately. I don't know what's going on, maybe tornadoes somewhere. It's yeah, as you can see, not much to see in front of me. About 100 feet at best. Fucking shit, look at this quality of Freightliner. It's raining.
So it turned out I had issues with doors.
Right, so God saved out from that danger zone. Yeah. Yeah, the same clouds from a different spot. Looks really well compared to this. So after 10 minutes, back again into this. Amazing. Alright, should be good now. So that's after 15 minutes. Again sunny. Cool. So now arrived at the pump. It's pretty beautiful evening. That's Pilot, by the way. That's this famous bridge in Nebraska. Over the road, of course. Oh, what a view. I slept here in La Shoulder. Had nowhere to park, just in front of this guy. Yeah, look at my window. It's a bug season, but it's getting worse. Took shower. Finally had time to clean the window, the front windshield. Now it's clear and it's a good view. See you Nebraska in a few days, and welcome back Wyoming. And it's a pine bluffs here. I like this small town. It's pretty beautiful. Yeah, Wyoming. Here we go. Beautiful rocks on the right side, but do you think that in trucking there is any day without a problem? No. Look at this line. In the middle of nowhere, actually. I don't know what happened. So that wasn't a huge construction, but I don't know where the traffic came from. As you can see now, we're going. Stop for 10 minutes near Lincoln statue. I love this view. Been here last time, told you a story. By the way, this time we have -10 degrees and I'm holding frozen products. So yeah, view from inside.
Worth to mention, this place is highest point in whole Interstate 80.
So got back, now I'll have some coffee, and there is a steep downgrade ahead of me, so I want to film it, so I should go slowly. Lied a little bit, that's how much I need to go. 5 hours, 40 minutes, pressing this, it's 400 miles left, so that's good. I'll cover Wyoming and we'll see you in Utah. And now steep downgrade begins. Speed limit is 65 here. I know the reason. Many guys going way too fast. Well, that guy is going way too slow. But that trucker is going way too fast.
I will end my video here. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe as I continue to drive and reach the end of the mountain safely.